Welcome to English with Bell. Today we're going to talk about articles. When we talk about articles, we usually talk about these three types of articles: the indefinite article, the definite article, and the zero article. Let's have a look at some uses of the indefinite article. We use it before single countable nouns that we are talking about for the first time. For instance, there is a supermarket over there. Before jobs, for example, he is a teacher. Before a noun that we are using in a general sense. For example, a person, a student. Now let's have a look at some uses of the definite article. We use it before single countable nouns that we have talked about before. Take a look at the following example. A man and a woman were waiting outside. The man said he was looking for the head teacher. When we are talking about something specific, for instance, there are many students here, but the ones who come in the morning are the most responsible. With an adjective to talk about a specific class or group. For instance, the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. When there is only one of something, for example, the sun is the brightest star. With superlatives, for example, it's the best movie I have ever watched. With ordinal numbers, my birthday is on the 10th of November. With job titles, for example, the president is giving a speech this afternoon. With some countries, for example, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, the Philippines, the USA. Now, what do we use the zero article for? With most languages, names, streets, towns, cities, and countries. And we also use it with uncountable nouns, plural nouns, and abstract nouns.